Alright, welcome to Shady Aftermath Adventures. Just picked this baby up last week. 1998 XP with a 951 cc engine. Mostly all intact. The engine is in boxes. Gonna try to do a rebuild. There's the lower end, the crank. Here's most of the rest of it. The carburetors, tune pipe, the cylinders, the head, pistons. We'll try to do a rebuild on the whole thing. Carburetor kits came with it. I paid $100 for the ski and the trailer, which ski is in really good shape. This is my other baby right here. I bought this earlier in the summer for $900 for the ski and the trailer. Wasn't running, got it running, runs like a champ now. Everything works on it except for the speedometer. As for this one, pop this old hood up here. You can see it's really clean down in there. Missing the shock for the hold the front end up, but it's really clean. I'm gonna see if I can get this thing back together. Motor mounts are installed. Like I say, didn't pay but $100 for it, so really couldn't go wrong. Didn't have a title for the ski or the trailer, but I wasn't worrying about that. When I was buying it, I was just buying it for a spare for my girl here, since they're both alike, except for the engine. That's got the 787. This has the 951. So stay tuned for this project. Like I said, it'd probably be my winter project, rebuild the motor. I'm going to put the jet pump back on here in a little bit. And looking at that, it looks like it's not even been used at all. As you can see, the impeller, there's no marks or nicks. The wear ring is perfect. So I don't think it had much runtime on it before the motor, whatever, gave up. I was told it was hydro locked, but it was all in pieces when I bought it. So, like I say, this right here is worth more than $100 that I paid for it. So stay tuned. Shady Aftermath 2020. All right. Of course, got to throw one of those in there. I've bolted the jet pump back on, started hooking up the VTS trim. Got to hook up the steering. Like I say, things been set in a while, but it's just as clean. I don't foresee any problems with any of that. Stay tuned.